Hello, how can I help you?
I would like to register for the English course.
Okay, so we need to fill a form. I will ask you some questions.
Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Semih Nadir Atsoy.
Okay, Semih Nadir. Can you spell your surname, please?
Yes, it is A-T-A-S-O-Y.
Okay, A-T-A-S-O-Y.
Yes.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Trabzon.
Trabzon. How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
18. Thank you. Are you married?
No, I am single.
Single. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student at Anadolu University.
Student. What do you study?
I study finance.
Okay.
Finance, sorry.
You study finance. Where do you live?
I live in Eskişehir at a dormitory.
At a dormitory, right?
Yes.
What is your email address, please?
It is semihhatsoy 6161@gmail.com.
Semihhatsoy 6161?
Yes. @gmail.com.
@gmail.com. Okay. And what is your telephone number?
My phone number is 05511590318.
It is 055115903118.
Yes, correct.
Okay. And would you like to join the course during the week or at the weekend?
What time do the lessons start?
Let me check. We have 2 classes on weekdays. One of them is in the afternoon at 2:30 on Mondays and Wednesdays. The other one is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We start at 10 in the morning, but we have no classes on Fridays.
Do you have classes at the weekend?
Yes, we have a weekend class. Our courses begin at 11 on Saturdays and Sundays.
Great.
When would you like to join the lessons?
I would like to register for the class at the weekend.
Okay, for the weekend courses. So you can take your first lesson next week then.
Okay, how much is the course for 1 month?
For 1 month, you pay 200 euros, but the weekend courses are a little bit more expensive. Weekend courses for 1 month is 250 euros.
Okay, thank you very much. See you next week.
Thank you. Have a nice day.